What's up? Happy Valentine's Day, guys. Okay, y'all, today is actually February 11th. But y'all will be seeing this on Valentine's Day, I do believe, all right? So this vlog gonna be kind of a little different. It's gonna include somewhat of a DIY, really not, but just showing you how I created my Valentine's Day cards to hand out to my family. And I'm also going to be handing out the Valentine's Day cards today. And today is Sunday. And of course, I did not want to show this video of the actual card until they actually receive their card, because my family, hey family, actually watched this video, okay? So anyway, I'm also going to be going to where, you already know, it's out of two places. I give y'all 5 seconds to guess, and not 5, guess, boom, but Dollar Tree, okay? Dollar Tree. To pick up can I talk? To pick up a few more goodies to hand out. Y'all, Valentine's Day is one of my favorite holidays to celebrate because it's so freaking cute. It's Christmas, Valentine's Day, and Halloween. Bam. Y'all, I just love being creative those 3 holidays. And I feel like I missed the mark on Halloween and Christmas. So I'm trying to make it up for Valentine's Day with DIYs and all the other things y'all saw either previously before this video or after this video. Who knows how I set it up, okay? So anyway, so let me gather my things so we can start handing out this love. Do y'all like my cute little banner? Oh yeah, I'm gonna also give you a Valentine's Day tour of all the little decorations that I provided in my home for what? And myself. And check out the cute little Valentine's Day shirt. I love, y'all. Spread love, not hate. This Valentine's Day, I decided to create my own Valentine's Day card using my own custom artwork. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna make a quick Valentine's Day present for myself. So I got this cute heart-shaped basket. Yeah, I remember this mug, the glow-up mug. I'm gonna put it in first. Or actually, I'm gonna put it in my paper. I'm gonna put in my mug. My mug. Did I hit the thing? Then I got this also from Goodwill, because you already know I'm a crafter. And how cute is this? To make some cute little bracelets. Sex in the City DVDs. I also got from Goodwill. Never seen this before. I mean, I never watched the season 1. So I thought that would be a perfect little add to the basket. I also had this wine glass already at the house, and I thought it'd be cute to add it. And I also got this from Dollar Tree, y'all. This cute little pear cider. I thought that'd be cute instead of, because I'm not a drinker, y'all. So I'm gonna put that right there. And then I'll put this right here. How cute is that, y'all? Happy Valentine's Day to myself. I love it, guys. I forgot one item. I also got this cute little, I don't know if it's real or authentic, this cute little Coach coin wallet purse thingamajiggy. Thought it was super cute. Got this at Goodwill too for only $2. And I thought I would add that because you already know. We gotta get them coins up. So that completes my basket, guys. Happy Valentine's Love Yourself Day to myself. Y'all, I love my cute little basket. I forgot the bow, y'all. All the touches matter, y'all. All the touches.